Rana Daggubati has always been a game changer, but this time he's literally stepped into the ring of global entertainment. From being the face of Indian cinema's pan India wave to now becoming the first Indian actor to feature at WrestleMania. Rana is breaking barriers we didn't even know existed. WrestleMania 40, held in Philadelphia, was already massive, but Rana made it even bigger for Indian fans. He walked into the world's biggest wrestling entertainment platform and proudly represented India. So on his Instagram, he shared the moment with the caption, "What a moment! First Indian actor to be at WrestleMania. Thank you WWE for making me a part of this." It wasn't just a selfie moment, it was the beginning of a serious crossover between India. Speaking of streaming, here's where it gets really interesting. WWE recently signed a massive global deal with Netflix, where from January 2025 onwards, WWE's flagship show Raw will stream exclusively on Netflix. Yes, Raw is leaving TV and stepped directly into your Netflix home screens, and this is a major shift in sports entertainment history. So now imagine this, as WWE gets ready to go global with Netflix, Rana Daggubati steps into WrestleMania. And suddenly he is not just a spectator, he is part of something much bigger. Because it turns out, Rana isn't just collaborating as a fan or celebrity guest, he is coming in as a partner. Through his company Spirit Media, he is actively working with Netflix on sports entertainment projects. This means Rana is not just making appearances, he is creating content, shaping ideas, and opening doors for Indian audiences to connect with global platforms like WWE. His company Spirit Media and Netflix have joined hands to develop and promote sports entertainment in India, including content that blends storytelling, action, and mass appeal. Rana is building a bridge between WWE and Indian audience, and WrestleMania was just the teaser. Think about it, an Indian actor collaborating with WWE via Netflix, co-producing content, bringing backstage stories, maybe even hosting events and opening new formats of storytelling. We have seen global stars like Logan Paul or Bad Bunny become WWE sensation, so could Rana be India's official face for this crossover? It's possible we might soon see Netflix original on WWE featuring Rana Daggubati or special India focused WWE shows hosted or produced by him. So this isn't a fantasy, this is business, this is strategy, and Rana is at the center of it. So let's not forget, this is the same Rana who dared to back a submarine war film like The Ghazi Attack, who ruled the screen in Bahubali, and who's always mixed storytelling with scale. Now with WWE, Netflix, and Spirit Media, he's taking his brand of cinema into new territories, blending entertainment with global formats like never before. So yes, this isn't just Rana walking into a WrestleMania event, this is Rana opening a new ring where Indian content, global sports entertainment, and digital platforms come together. He is not just acting anymore, he is producing, partnering, and paving the way for others to follow. So now what do you think? Is Rana Daggubati the perfect face for WWE and Netflix in India? Let us know in the comments what do you think about it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.